How to connect your iPhone hotspot to your MacBook. So this can be really useful if you want to connect to the internet on your MacBook by using your phone's mobile data. Now all we need to do is first go and open up your iPhone and load up the settings page. Now just make sure you have the Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth turned on. So I'm just going to click on my Wi-Fi and make sure this is switched on. And you also need to do the same for your Bluetooth as well. Now come back over to the settings and you should see this option for Personal Hotspot. Now if you don't see this, try clicking on Mobile Service instead and you may be able to find it from here. Now once you're on the Personal Hotspot page, make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on. You'll also see your Wi-Fi password and you'll need this in order to go and connect later on. Make sure Maximize Compatibility is also switched on, and once you've done this you can head over to your Mac computer. Now from your Mac, just go and click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the top right hand side of the page. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and then you should be able to find your personal hotspot from the list. Now this will be the name of whatever your phone's device is. So mine is this one here, Stop Coughing. And if you can't see it from the list, you may need to click on Other Networks at the bottom, or you may also just need to toggle off and toggle back on the Wi-Fi. Now once you've selected your hotspot, you may need to enter the Wi-Fi password if this is your first time connecting, and that's how to connect your iPhone hotspot to your MacBook.